going on, beautiful people? If you are new to this channel, my name is Amy.
And my name is Corbin.
And we are full-time resellers. What does that mean exactly? That means we go to yard sales, estate sales, pawn shops, Goodwills, flea markets, literally anywhere that we can go, buy something for super duper cheap and sell it online for a what?
Profit, baby.
Exactly. Today is the second and last day of Siege, aka Southeast Game Exchange. And this is cleanup day, guys. And what I mean by that is negotiate prices, and it's a lot easier to do that whenever it's the last day because they don't want to take things home with them.
$3 each? I mean, how often do you see Jeff Gordon racing for the Game Boy Color in the box? That might be worth a pickup. He's got 140 on this 3DS and 60 on the bag. So he would do 120 if we spot both lots. Let's take a look and see how much money's is in my fanny pack. Also, we just bought this. I've got 100 in here. Do you have any cash on you?
Yep.
114, that's all the cash we have left. We are officially cashed out, people.
No more cash.
No more cash. We're playing Pokemon Stadium on the big screen.
Where? Oh, dang.
What up, gangsters?
What's up?
$114, 28 DS games, pink 3DS XL, and then a game with other digital games.
And this was all from one vendor?
Yep.
Okay. So people are doing deals right now in Southeast.
Oh,
and we are officially out of cash. We're done for. We're done for. Godzilla flask, baby, for all the whiskey that I don't drink.
That is really cute, though. I like this. The little blue one?
No?
No, down. Well, yeah, of course the American flag. That's cute.
Big cup.
Corbin, look. Whoa, wait a second. Swallows.
They're all sexual size matters.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I love that. That's hilarious.
That series is my sexual innuendos.
Oh, that's hilarious. Dude, check out these stickers. This one right here, hilarious and a necessity.
Are you gonna put that on your car?
Not on my car now.
Next to your infantry military stickers? I bought some old arcade marquees from this vendor yesterday. I wanted the World Heroes 2. He was asking 40. He was not budging on it yesterday. So day 2 comes along. It's still there. I went up to him. I was like, look, you're leaving with this today, back in your car, unless I give you 20 bucks right now for it. He said you got a deal, so there we go.
We have a $3 each bin right here, so I stood here at the scanning, and it's kind of funny because he's heard of my YouTube channel, he's never watched it, so we're good there. Found these games in the $3 bin. This goes for like 20 something on Amazon right here. This goes for 20 something on Amazon. This goes for like 19. So for $3 a piece, this is 10, but he's gonna do like half off on these, so I'm pretty excited about this.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
we like that. This one, all right. So we're gonna keep this. We're gonna keep this real quick. Okay. So he's got this Super Smash Brothers Ultimate. This is brand new strategy guide. He's got 25. He says he's gonna do half off. It goes for $92. So for 12 bucks, I think I'm gonna pick it up.
Oh, 100%. That's amazing.
Yeah, pretty awesome. So I guess it's worth it to go to conventions and buy stuff. So pretty excited.
All right, we just got out of Siege for a minute just to take some things to the car. Corbin, what did we pick up?
We got a bunch of GameCube games. So, as y'all know, last day, bundled a few GameCube games together. Obviously, GameCube does very well right now. So got Spider-Man, CIB, Harvest Moon. This is already almost half of market value. Splinter Cell, Chaos Theory, Resident Evil 0, SSX 3, and Super Bowl Pop. I think the price tag on this was like $55 and we talked down to $45. So the prices were already good, but then talking down to $10 just kind of cushions our profit margins a little bit. We went very GameCube heavy.
Yes.
This convention. We sold these boxes yesterday. He wanted $20 a piece. I was like, we'll come tomorrow. I know he doesn't want to take these home. So we got both these boxes for 30 bucks, so we saved $10. Wii U boxes are super valuable. They really do like double the value of a loose system. As you all have seen, we just recently got a PS3 Slim kiosk. This box is absolutely like minty. It's a very, very good condition box. This is strictly for display in front of the kiosk. We're trying to get boxed consoles for all the kiosks. So really cool. We walked past this like Pokemon plush accessory booth, and I spotted this guy on the very bottom shelf. But Champ was my favorite Pokemon growing up because I saw a lot of myself in him. That sounded weird. I saw a lot of similarities because we're jacked. No, but we paid a few bucks for this. This is really cool display piece, and it's not vintage, but it's cool.
2 hours later.
Do you have any rough idea of what you're thinking out of it?
I mean, I'm just going to sell everything as a bundle.
Okay.
I just want it gone, to be honest.
You got a black GameCube. PS2 Slim.
It's probably been, they haven't been touched in 10 years.
Oh, I believe it.
Yeah. There's a random disc right there. It's
Sweet. Do you have the games kind of separated out a little bit?
I can help you do that. There's
it's good. I'm not worried about it. I'm just
a lot of sports games in. Might want to go through and make sure they're all in there.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think most of them have cases, or I think most of them are in there. I'm just not sure about a few. I think the old ones, like the PS2, might not
Have cases?
Yeah.
Not be there?
Or just might not be there, because I mean those were when I was like 5, 6 years old. And
This was a fire game back
yeah,
in
it
the
was.
day.
It really was. All pro football, man. I haven't played that in years. Now everything's online, so I don't even need the discs.
Yeah, you don't need the physical library anymore. So the sports games I can buy off you.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna be honest, the only way I can sell those is if I bundle like 10 together and get like $5 out of it. Because they're just, sports games. After the year's over, they're on to, they take off the online status and.
Yeah, I was thinking like 60 for everything.
Oh, for all this?
Yeah.
Nah, I can do better than that for you. I'm sure.
Whatever you think. I mean, I have no idea.
Do you know where their GameCube games are, or do you have an idea if you have many?
I think I gave them all away.
Did you?
Like through the years, I've just gifted them all.
Like just the discs, or? Because I saw the GameCube games weren't in there.
Oh my God, that might be a stash right there. I don't know.
Fingers crossed.
Oh, that's just a.
Oh, never mind.
Little travel
I do remember
player.
I had a case for my Game Boy and my GameCube games. They're not GameCube, but.
There's another little thing down here. Have some games in it.
What is this?
Could be an old camera, could be games. I have no idea. It might be.
What is this? It's like heavy, but there's another. Oh, it's another one of those.
Oh,
This is the base to it. It's a Polaroid something. Is it like a movie player?
Yeah, that's what I would assume.
Oh, I wish I would have kept that one. The Bigs was my favorite. I played that.
You want it?
There's no disc in it. Oh, that one hurt.
Yeah, I wish you had some of these discs.
I know. God.
Oh, no disc.
No.
Yeah, those old-
Devastating.
Let's see which ones do we have.
So the GameCube stuff is the stuff that can be worth some money.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, I had so many of them too. Yeah, I figured sports games don't resell for a whole lot.
No, they don't. This is what a classic.
I hope it's in there. Oh my god.
It's
yeah,
not.
Oh, it's
The
not.
DS games aren't in there, and the GameCube isn't.
We gave those to kids. A lot of those.
These ones are.
Nope.
I could probably do about $100 if that seems
That's fair to me.
fair.
That is fair to me.
The stuff we can pay good for is GameCube,
The old
N64,
Okay,
Super
the old
Nintendo.
stuff. So if
NES.
I find all that stuff, I will text you again if
Yeah.
you're ever in town.
We'll come back down.
Definitely.
And are you good with PayPal or Venmo? I can do friends and family.
I can do Venmo.
Okay. Sweet. Amy, get to work.